He knew the answer. He studied for weeks. He solved the problem before.
But when the interviewer asked him to explain it,
He couldn't say a word.
this is where most people fail.
Not because they don't understand the concept, but because they lack conceptual clarity and communication.
Welcome to STEM Hub English Podcast.
Today, we'll break it down step by step, how to explain complex systems in plain English.
By the end, you will explain ideas with confidence and clarity.
Let's visualize this. There was a student.
Strong academically, but weak in communication.
The interviewer asked him, explain a control system.
A control system is a dynamic system that regulates.
To theoretical, not intuitive.
He failed, not because of knowledge, but because he couldn't break it down.
Here's the key insight. Interviews test communication, not memorization.
You must explain ideas in a structured and intuitive way. At a high level, a control system is a way to control behavior.
Think of it like this, a thermostat controlling temperature.
Now let's go deeper. It uses feedback to adjust output.
In real-world applications, it's used in robotics, vehicles, and automation. Let's practice with AI.
At a high level, AI is a system that learns from data.
Think of it like a student learning from mistakes. Now it becomes intuitive.
Key mistakes include overcomplicating explanations, no structure, no examples.
You must aim for clarity, not complexity.
If your explanation is clear, you appear intelligent.
If it's confusing, you lose credibility.
Now you have a system. Use it, practice it, master it.
If this video opened your mind, subscribe to STEM Hub English Podcast.